Hello everyone, welcome to the channel FX Marina. Today in this video I am going to explain how this Royal Cube quantitative martingale strategy works. For the people who don't know about this Royal Cube is a crypto trading board that you can connect your Binance or Huobi account. That this Royal Cube bot will work for you once you connect your exchange. So it will work 24 hours according to this martingale strategy. So here I'm going to explain how this one works. This bot is very popular now because this strategy makes you more money. It doesn't matter in which direction market moves, the bot will make you money as long as you run this bot. So the thing is, you have to have some USDT because it is the base currency that this Royal Cube bot works. So you have to have some USDT in your Binance or Huobi account in case if you want to run this Royal Cube trading bot. Right. The strategy how it works is first we have to select a currency pair which you want this bot to run. So once you chosen this trading pair, the currency, so the base currency is has to be USDT. Once selected, so you have to give instruction to the bot the first order how much you are going to buy. Example, that if you are going to use $100 for a particular coin, 100 USDT, then you have to allocate some funds where you give instruction to bot in the first order how much you are going to buy. So in this example, I'm going to buy any particular coin worth of 10 USDT at the first order. So once given instruction, there are two instructions that you can give, either market order or limit order. If you give market order, as soon as the bot is started, it will buy $10 worth of the coin you selected, and then you have to give instruction to bot at which percentage that bot needs to close with the profit. So in this case, I assume I have given instruction to the bot close the first trade when it reaches 1.3 with the profit. So if the market moves in favor of me, example, once you bought this one, if market moves upward at 1.3, the take profit order is triggered, but it will not close order. The bot will look whether this price will go up further, because the bot wants to give you the maximum profit. In that case, he will look any further bullish movement of the particular coin price. So in that case, if price moves up, the bot will trail your profit as much as it can. In this case, if it touch 1.3 and the market turns down at 0.3%, here it will close with 1% profit, because here 1.3%, and bot will wait another 3% goes down, then only it will close at 1% profit. In case the price moves upwards, but still trailing your profit upwards until it drop back 0.3, then only it will close. In this case, if the bot moves 5% and then only market moves down 0.3%, it will close here. So instead of 1.3%, due to the action of the bot here, you will get 4.7% profit. So that is how this bot works. So scenario 1, I explained the how the bot works when the market is bullish. So the second scenario, in case the bot the market doesn't move that much up and markets turn down. It can happen in any market, any condition, because of the volatility of the market. So in this case, if the price of the particular coin chosen is going down, so you have to select how much percentage that bot has to wait for the second order to be triggered. So in this case, the bot is waiting 3% the price to decline, and here the bot is looking whether price the market is going to move upwards. If the market is going to move up, he is looking for another 0.5% as per my setting. This one also you can set, and this one also you can set. But the thing is, when the market is continuously going down, but bot doesn't buy, the market has to turn up for the bot to buy, because he's looking for the turning point. So if market is turning 0.5 here, he will buy another set of that particular coin. So you have to select how much you want to buy in this case. For my example, I will buy almost double what I bought in the first order. So I will buy here $20 of that particular coin. So when you buy here, now if you have here $10 worth of that particular coin, now here you are buying again $20. So altogether $30. Once this $30 you spend for the coin, the bot, what it does is it will calculate the average price, because here the average price is high. Now your average price is coming down this way, coming down because you bought in the bottom, right? So bot automatically will calculate the average price. If not, it is the break-even price or the zero price. From there, the bot will again start counting 1.3% in order to close all the trades. All the trade means that he's going to close this one and this one together. So in that case also, he's looking any further moving up. If it doesn't move, when market turns down, it will close here with a 1% profit. But the best thing here is that if you look at here 10%, he will close here with the 1%. So 1% is for $10, but here 1% is for 20 plus 10. So what is making more money for you if the market goes down, as it buys at the bottom. So here 1% you have profit for all $30 you bought, right? So example, if market further goes down, this percentage here 3.5 and another 4. So from the beginning it is 7.5. You can change this one as you like. I have chosen 2 points to buy here and here, 2%, but you can buy as much as you can as long as you have money to buy, right? In the third scenario, if the market further goes down by 4%, again the bot will look for market turning. So if market turns up by 5%, 0.5%, it will buy here again, right? So you have to select the amount, how much the bot has to buy. In my case, I am putting almost 4 times of my base or the first order price, because as long as you buy the bottom with more amount of USDT, the chance of making profit is high, because this price is better than this price, and this price is better than this price and this price. So once you buy in the bottom, it is always better to buy at large amount, right? So in that case, I am buying here 4 times of base order. Here I am buying 2 times of base order. Now I am here buying 4 times of base order, right? Once the bot buys here, it will automatically calculate your average price. Now you have 40, 20 and 10, so altogether $70 worth of one single coin. So now it will calculate the average price, and from that average price it will look 1.3 increment, and here it will trigger the take profit, but it will look if market is further moving up, the bot will trail your profit as much as it can until it draws down by 0.3. So this example all here is this 0.3 all common for here. But in your case, if you want to change this one, it is also possible. These all parameters you can change. This is the percentage that you want to buy. This is the percentage that bot has to trade. So this is the percentage your second order is executed. This one also you can change as you like, and number of stages. This is based on, this is the first order, this is the second order, and this is the third order. So you can have as much as you can, as long as you have enough USDT for that particular coin to buy, right? So this is how this bot is working. This martingale strategy is good for spot trading. So this Royal Cube crypto trading bot uses your spot balance and not your margin or future, right? Because the people who do forex, they are very comfortable with this martingale strategy, but for forex trading it is very dangerous to use if you don't know what you are doing with martingale strategy, because forex is leverage trading. But when it comes to spot trading crypto, you don't have any risk because it is not leverage. As long as you buy something and you can hold this for the next bull run, there's no problem with that one. You can hold it, that you are not going to lose anything. So I think crypto trading is the best platform that you can use the martingale strategy. So that's why this Royal Cube crypto trading is very popular now coming days, right? So this is the video I want to do to explain how this martingale strategy works for this Royal Cube, and I'm hoping to bring more videos for the next upcoming weeks, how this how you can create account in Royal Cube and how you can connect it to exchange, then how you set your parameters and how you run the bot. So keep this FX Marine YouTube channel subscribed, that you will not miss any videos if you are interested to see Royal Cube, how it performs with once you connected to your crypto exchange account, right? So, and the other thing is that once this one is closed, with any profit, the bot automatically will start its second order. There's one more setting that you can put how much you have to wait for the second order to buy. It is immediate. It can be either immediate or any percentage from the closing price, right? So in the next videos I'm going to explain this how this one going to work, and basically this one will work 24/7 and continuously it can make money for you, right? Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.